Welcome to U.S. Soccer's online training for the Grassroots Assigner course. Training for this course is designed to prepare individuals to assign referees for youth and adult competitions. This presentation will focus on the responsibilities of the assigner. To be successful, the Grassroots Assigner has to create an environment that is inclusive of all referees. That environment needs to be fair and equitable for all referees in the assigner's pool. Assigners must assign referees based on age and experience. You can only assign a referee to an age level where the referee is a minimum of 2 years older than the players. For example, a 15-year-old referee can referee players ages 13 or younger. The referee assigner must be committed to the development of referees in their assigning pool. They must also promote the game to help recruit new referees. Assigners need to develop positive relationships with all referees, the leagues and competitions the assigner is responsible for, and work with other assigners to cover games. The successful assigner either has or quickly develops good customer service skills. Assigners should be knowledgeable with U.S. Soccer's priority of assignments. These priorities are based on member organizations, not state association desires. Assignments should never be withheld from referees based on availability, declining games, or blocking dates in the referee's calendar. Never guarantee assignments to referees by their past work. Referees gain opportunities based on experience and by developing skills in the games they officiate. Assigners are not permitted to discriminate against referees by withholding assignments. Assigners should develop their own ranking system so assignments are defendable when a referee feels they are not receiving games that are complementary to their skill level. You should also document and keep records of a referee's personal affiliations between a team, club, or competition. If there are conflicts of interest, do not assign the referee. Assigners should be selected by the competition with input from the state referee committee. Assigners are licensed through the referee program and must follow all requirements and protocols. The State Referee Committee has access to the current database of licensed assigners and will be able to confirm the license and registration of all officials in their state. The State Referee Committee can advise if individual officials are in good standing locally. The State Referee Committee will develop referees at a level that meets or exceeds the expectation of the assigner's competitions. State referee committees will provide assistance in evaluating referees and can assist the assigner in finalizing the suitability of assignments when asked. Because the State Referee Committee licensed referees and assigners, this is one of their roles. Mentors, referee coaches, and assigners work together to assign, mentor, and coach referees. Their roles help to promote and develop the skills of the referees we work with. A successful assigner works with the State Referee Committee to create an MCA team. U.S. Soccer currently offers 2 assigner licenses. The Grassroots Assigner, which is the course you are currently enrolled in, handles local youth and adult competitions. The competitions can be recreational or competitive in nature. The National Assigner is responsible for assigning national amateur leagues, the Lamar Hunt Open Cup, youth national team identification events, and some professional season games. The National Assigner may make recommendations for international games being played in their area. The assigner license requirements are the following. Minimum age is 18 years old. Prior experience may be determined by the State Referee Committee. Training includes successful completion of this assigner course and a local in-person meeting. There is also a quiz to judge your knowledge of the course material and the risk management components we previously discussed in an earlier session. The competitions you work for may include leagues and tournaments. These competitions may be either youth or adult. Remember, all referees and assigners must hold a current license. This is a U.S. soccer requirement and affects liability coverage. As an assigner, you have responsibilities to the following: U.S. Soccer, your state referee committee, the league or club you assign for, to the game, to assign the best available referee to the game, and, most important, the referees you assign. Responsibilities to U.S. Soccer: complete the national requirements to register, maintain the annual registration from year to year, proper use of the referee list. The list is not to be shared with anyone outside the state referee committee or used in any way outside the games you assign. This list is not to be used for personal gain. Work with your MCA team to actively promote and further develop the skills of the referees you assign. Assigner responsibilities to the state referee committee. Follow the assigner guidelines set for your state, as they will vary depending on where you are assigning. Most states require a written agreement, contract, or memorandum of understanding before you will be granted access to the list of referees. Work with your MCA team. This will make the assigner's job easier when it comes to placing a referee with the appropriate game. Maintain your annual recertification of your license. Proper use of the referee list. This list is not to be shared with anyone outside the referee committee or used in any way outside the games you assign. The list is not to be used for personal gain. Part of your job as an assigner is to promote referees to work higher levels of games when the referee demonstrates that higher level of skill on the field. Assigner responsibilities to the league includes: all assigned referees must be currently licensed. Assign referee to your games. It is good practice to release game assignments on the same day and time on a consistent basis so referees can expect assignments. Collect the referee game reports or provide instructions on how to submit the reports electronically. Keep records of your referee payments. Officials may be paid at the field or paid electronically through wireless transfer. Always look to promote referees to higher levels of competition. It will help you to grow your pool of officials. Assigner responsibilities to the game include assigning the right referee to the right game. Always assign games that are within the referee's comfort level. Use feedback from other sources such as other referees, mentors, referee coaches, and at times, team coaches. Other items to factor in are coach requests to have the same referee, the referee personality when getting along with other referees, and the referee versus the club relationship. Review the section on conflicts to be clear on the different types of referee conflicts. The assigner's responsibility to the referee should always reflect what's best for the referee. Respect the rights and dignity of all referees. Be aware of a referee goals if they told you what they are. Always be honest and fair with all referees. Never discuss a referee's faults or shortcomings with other referees. Assign referees with the intent to promote and develop referees when possible. The assigner has goals to uphold too. Work hand in hand with referees, mentors, referee coaches, league administrators, and the state referee committee. Provide guidance and structure to help referees attain their personal development goals. Work to create collaborative relationships with other assigners. If referees are seeking advancement, they receive opportunities for assignments consistent with their ability level and the level of games needed for their referee license upgrade.